In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Steam Remote Play. Remote Play lets you stream games from your main PC to another device, so you can enjoy your library from the couch, another room, or even a different computer on your network. Start by opening the Steam application on your computer and logging into your Steam account. At the top left of the app, click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, choose Remote Play. This is where you'll configure everything to make streaming smooth and responsive. First, set Allow Direct Connection IP sharing to automatic or enabled. This helps your devices connect directly on the same network for lower latency and better stability. Next, enable Advanced Host Options. Inside these options, turn on Enable Hardware Encoding. This offloads video encoding to your GPU, which usually gives you higher frame rates and less CPU strain during streaming. While you're here, enable Prioritize Network Traffic. This gives your game stream higher priority on your network, reducing lag and stutter when other devices are busy. For the video option, choose Fast. This preset is designed for smooth streaming with minimal quality loss, and it's a great balance for most setups. Set the bandwidth limit to unlimited for best performance. If you're managing a data plan or want a cap, choose a limit that matches your connection and needs. Next, set the resolution limit to automatic. This lets Steam adjust the resolution dynamically, so if your network conditions change, you'll get fewer interruptions and a steadier experience. On your client device, the one you'll be playing on, enable hardware decoding. This improves how the video stream is handled and can significantly reduce input latency and buffering. Most modern devices support this and benefit from it. Before you start gaming, review all your settings to confirm everything is enabled correctly. A quick scan now prevents troubleshooting later. If you want an extra edge, keep your host PC and client device close to your router or use a wired connection. It's not required, but it can noticeably improve stability. With everything set, you're ready to play. Launch a game on your main PC, connect from your preferred device, and enjoy your Steam library remotely with smooth visuals and responsive controls. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.